Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using just the home screen as an example, so for me it's already open and visible. But once you have your content open and visible, simply press volume down and power key at the same time. You'll have the sound. It gives us also a quick notification that we can do the same thing. Instead of holding the buttons, we can use 3-finger swipe down. So that's nice to know. So just to test that, whoops. There we go. As you can see, same result. Now once you have captured your screenshots, you can find them in your Photos application. And you can see there are the two photos that I have captured. So there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.